In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn Airtable fast. Think of Airtable as a spreadsheet that's as simple as a sheet, but as powerful as a database. And we'll go from zero to productive in minutes. First, create your account. Head to the Airtable website, sign up with your email or a Google account, verify your details and log in. This gives you access to the main workspace where all your projects live. Once you're in, take a moment to explore the home dashboard. You'll see your bases, recent activity, and a gallery of templates. A base is like a project container. It holds everything related to one topic. Browsing templates is a great way to understand common setups for tasks, projects, or content planning. Now start a new base. Click Add a base and either start from scratch or pick a template that matches your use case. Give your base a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later and obvious to collaborators what it contains. Before we dive deeper, I've placed a link to Airtable at the top of the description. Use it to open the website or download the app so you can follow along as we build. Inside your base, understand the structure. A base contains tables, and each table has records, which are rows, and fields, which are columns. Views let you see the same data in different ways. Grid view looks like a spreadsheet for quick editing. Kanban groups records by a status or category. Calendar maps records with dates. And gallery shows items as visual cards. Start adding data by clicking Add Record. Use the field selector to pick the right field types. Single line text for names, attachments for files or images, checkboxes for simple yes or no, drop-downs for statuses, and date fields for deadlines. Choosing the right type keeps your data clean and searchable. Link tables to connect related information. For example, link a clients table to a projects table, so one client can be associated with multiple projects. Linked records keep relationships tidy and prevent duplicate data. Use filters to focus on what matters, like tasks due this week, and use sorting to order by priority or date. This makes large tables manageable. Customize views for different needs. Build a Kanban view to track task stages and a calendar view to visualize deadlines. Each view saves its own filters and sorting, so switching context is seamless. Automate repetitive tasks. In automations, set a trigger, like a record being updated, and an action such as sending an email. Start simple, test your automation, and expand as you get comfortable. Finally, collaborate by clicking Share. Invite teammates and set permissions to read only, editor or creator to match their roles. That's how to learn Airtable fast and get started immediately. Thanks for watching.